Melania Trump launches NFT platform in first public endeavor since the White House. Why'd you have to give me this article after that last one? Good Lord.
Try to light it up a bit.
NFT, light it up or lighten it up?
Lighten it up.
Yeah, not burn the whole place down. Thank goodness. Melania Trump launches NFT platform. Platform? So what is it, a marketplace? What is it? What are we dealing with? The former First Lady announced Thursday she is selling an NFT. Melania's Vision. The NFT is the first digital art to be sold on her newly launched platform. Okay. I am proud to announce my new NFT endeavor, which embodies my passion for the arts and will support my ongoing commitment to children through my Be Best initiative. Through this new technology-based platform, we will provide children computer science skills, including programming and software development, to thrive after they age out of the foster community. Portion of the proceeds will assist children aging out of the foster care system by way of economic empowerment, and with expanded access to resources needed to excel in the fields of computer science and technology. That sounds like a press release. It is a press release. And It sounds exactly like a press release. It's very professional.
Yeah.
So the NFT is a watercolor by Marc-Antoine Coulon. It includes an audio recording of Trump, according to a press release from her office. It'll cost approximately $150 and be available to purchase between December 16th and December 31st. What is it? Is it on Ethereum? We don't need those technical details. They're not in the CNN article.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they're trying to be new age with it. They're trying to be, it's for the kids. So you don't want to get left behind.
Yeah,
And
to say that it's helping kids is always a good blanket statement.
It's helping kids, and it's $150, and it's got all the right keywords for 2021. It has the 3 most important letters of 2021. You know what they are?
What's that?
N, F, and T.
Right.
Super.
I think
important.
this is the NFT.
It's her eyes,
herself.
or is it just
or itself?
Is it her eyes or just any eyes? Oh, Melania's vision. It's her eyes.
Yeah.
It's
her vision.
It's her eyes in a watercolor by an artist.
Yeah.
And there's some serious eyelashes going on.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I mean, it's all right.
Interesting. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. There it is.
It's kind of like a charity aspect to it.